Hey everyone, and welcome. So, you're diving into Cambridge IGCSE Biology, right? Well, let me tell you, it's about so much more than just memorizing a bunch of facts and diagrams. Seriously. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and look at what Cambridge really wants you to learn. And trust me, the answer might just surprise you.
Okay, so let's get right to it. What is the real goal here? I mean, beyond all the textbooks and the lab reports, what skills and what kind of mindset is Cambridge hoping you'll walk away with? That's exactly what we're going to unpack.
Here's the thing, and it's actually pretty cool. The whole point is to build you into a biologist right from the ground up. The best way to think about it is like a pyramid. At the very bottom, that's your foundation. That's what you'll know. The middle section is all about how you'll think. And right at the very top, the peak, that's where you understand why it all matters.
So, let's start at the base of that pyramid. Part 1 is all about your knowledge and your voice. This is the foundation, the absolute starting point for everything else that's coming.
First up, obviously, is scientific knowledge. But look, this isn't just about cramming facts for a test. It's not enough to just memorize that mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. Cambridge wants you to really understand the theories and practices behind it, to get the why and the how that connects it to everything else.
Now, knowing your stuff is one thing, but can you talk about it like a scientist? This is a huge piece of the puzzle. It's about learning the language of biology. So, instead of just saying the plant grew towards the sun, you learn to say the plant exhibited positive phototropism. It's all about being precise, clear, and using the right terms. Okay, so once that foundation of knowledge and communication is solid, we can start climbing the pyramid. This brings us to part 2, thinking like a scientist. This is where we shift from just knowing things to actually doing things.
And this right here gets to the absolute heart of what scientists do. First, you'll get hands-on experience, learning to design experiments and work safely in a lab. Next, you'll become a bit of a data detective, using evidence to figure out answers and solve problems. And finally, and this is so important, you'll learn to think critically about the science itself, to understand its limitations. That's what real scientific thinking is all about.
We've built our knowledge, we've practiced our skills, and now we've reached the top of the pyramid. This is where it all comes together. Part 3 is about seeing biology's bigger picture, connecting everything you've learned to the world around you, and, just as importantly, to your own curiosity.
And this final piece has 2 incredible goals. On one side, it's for the world. You'll begin to understand how biology can be a massive force for good, helping both people and the planet. But on the other side, it's for you. The hope is that you'll genuinely start to enjoy science and develop a real, informed interest that lasts. It's about making science a part of your world.
So you see what happens when you combine that solid foundation of knowledge with a scientific way of thinking and a real sense of purpose. IGCSE Biology becomes way more than just a subject. It's a toolkit that helps you understand this incredible living world and figure out your own unique place within it.
And in the end, it all leads to this powerful aim, straight from Cambridge themselves. They want you to develop an informed interest in scientific matters which support further study. This course isn't the finish line, it's the launch pad. The only question left is, where will you decide to go next?
Fundoo Tutor is a personalized learning platform that helps students succeed in Cambridge, IB, and other international curriculums, with expert mentorship, structured learning support, and engaging resources.